cruciferous vegetable, green leafy vegetable that has abundance of vitamin A, but also vitamin C, antioxidant, and various phytonutrients that your body needs to fight diseases. So it's already washed and chopped. I'm just going to put it over my quinoa because I want to create something nice and beautiful in terms of the appearance. All right? Then I'm going to add to this beets. This beet is already just shredded beets. Beets are high in vitamin A again, vitamin C, various antioxidants necessary to fight diseases. So I'm going to spray it out so it could be beautiful because we start to eat with our eyes. And remember, when you're making your salad, you need to have vegetables of different colors. All right, this is raw. We're preserving all of our nutrient in this salad. Then to this, I'm going to add my nuts. So I'm adding here almond nuts. I'm just going to sprinkle over my salad. From the nuts, I'm going to get my fat, my omega-3, omega-6s, protein, and some fiber. Fiber is necessary for good health. You see how beautiful that looks? And then I forgot my cranberry. So you could, I'm not going to open this, but you're going to sprinkle some cranberry over this, and you're going to finish it off with your dressing. You can make your simple dressing at home using your citrus fruit, lemon juice, orange juice, some sweetener like agave, and you're good to go. So over that, I'm going to place my dressing. This is actually a complete meal. Why? Because I have my grain at the bottom, then I have my vegetable, which is my quinoa at the top, I have my beet, vegetable again, and then I have my nuts. And then you can add some dry fruits. When you consume this, it is a complete meal that will fill you. Let me taste it. This is so delicious. I wish you were here. Make this at home, and you can boost your immune system to fight coronavirus, influenza virus, or bacterial infection. And you can sharpen your immune system so you could live to 100 years and one. I'll be right back.
My mother was introduced to Dr. Cooper, so me caring for my mother, I brought her in. So they encouraged me to join the program with my mother. So I started to learn a lot about dieting,